Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find security and privacy. Then we have to scroll down to find more security settings. Let's tap on it and scroll to the credential storage section. Now let's tap on clear credentials option and confirm it with OK. Confirm it also with your screen lock. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.